Hi friends, it's Lisa Hetrick, illustrator for Gina K Designs, and I'm so grateful you could join me today. I have a brand new stamp set to share. Let's dive in and take a look. Okay friends, here is Simplicity and Joy. Holy smokes friends, I know I say this every month, but this might be my favorite. Okay, so we have a brand new stamp set. Here are all of our elements in the stamp set. You can tell that it's already well loved. You can see that I've been using it. I've got a lot of inspiration to share with you. But this set is called Simplicity and Joy, and it is a tea set for those quiet moments to brighten your day. I've got the tea tin, some orange leafery and different pieces for our orange blossoms, some backgrounders, some really fun sentiments. Let your worries steep away. Zest for life, one cup at a time. I love spending quality time with you. A little bit punny. Time to blossom and unwind like you would with a cup of tea. I'm a huge tea fan, friends. I love, love, love tea. So this was kind of inspired by one of the things that I love so much and that I enjoy in my quiet times. And this is a little citrus cheer to brighten your day. Super, super fun set. There's also a coordinating stencil set for coloring. The big tea tin, the cups, the orange blossoms, this really fun banner, and the orange blossoms here. And there's a coordinating die set to go along with it. And you can see that there's a die for pretty much every stamp in this set, with the exception of the little tea leaves and the little like tea dots. So those are like extra little filler pieces for your projects. Okay, friends, let's dive in and take a look at the inspiration. Here is a really fun pattern that I created with the orange blossoms and the leafery, paired it up with a little citrus cheer to brighten your day, die cutting out that sentiment, added a little bit of watercolor just to create a really fun and easy card. And you can see the three little dots that I have in there. They're really, really perfect for adding a little extra something to your card, a little extra texture, a little bit of extra energy in the card. It's just super fun. Okay, here is another example of creating a pattern look with the branches and all of the leafery and the blossoms, and also adding in the coordinating coloring stencil. I had a lot of fun with mixing up the marigold and tangerine twist and taking some of the greens and yellows and stenciling them into the leafery to create this really, really fun card. Okay, what I really, really love about this set is some of the level of simplicity. So we can go from a really intense looking pattern card with a lot of detail and a lot of things going on to something really clean and simple using that frame. What's really fun about the frame is that it has, the die will cut out the entire frame and you'll have like the inside and the outside of the die. So you can create, if you like to do shaker cards and things like that, you would be able to create that look with this really beautiful frame. And a little citrus cheer to brighten your day. Just a really clean and simple card. Comes together super quick. Love it. Okay, here we go. Zest for life, one cup at a time. Really had a lot of fun with this, adding the stencil coloring elements and also using that background frame to just kind of pull it all together and create this really fun teacup card. And here's another fun teacup card I wanted to share with you. In the stamp set, I have the little blossoms that pop out of the teacup, which is super, super fun. Again, gives us the ability to create this really easygoing, simple card with the teacup, a little bit of leafery, a really fun sentiment, and I popped on some of those, my favorite embellishments. I just love those little dots. They're so cute. Okay, now we're getting into some more detailed cards using the tea tin And what I really like about the tea tin is that it's wide open. So you're going to be able to use any of the coloring mediums that are your favorite to use. Mine is watercolor, but of course I have this coordinating stencil that will also help you do some coloring in that wide open space. It's also perfect for you to stamp within. All of the elements in the stamp set fit inside the tea tin, so they will coordinate really well if you wanted that one layer kind of look. And I'll be sharing that technique in some upcoming tutorials. And I just love this, let your worries steep away, and using both of the sentiments, time to blossom and unwind, let your worries steep away, and just having those cute little tea leaves just kind of go across the bottom there. It's super fun. Okay, here is just another fun card. I can see me like using these elements for lots of different things. For shower cards, for like birthday cards, things like that, where it's just a really clean and simple look. We've got this teacup here and the little blooms, and then I masked off the teacup to create that little background behind it. And the banner element is also a stamp and a die, so you can cut that out. And the time to blossom and unwind fits in there perfectly. I just love that. Okay, here's my last card I wanted to share with you. I love spending quality time with you. How fun would this be to send to a friend or a family member? So super cute. Got this background tea tin that I just did a little bit of marker work on it just to kind of have it be like that silver tin look. Added the blossoms, and this is what I was talking about with the orange blossoms and the leafy and how they fit inside. So you can anchor that stamp very easily, like in the corners, and you're able to create a pattern on the tea tin. Just nested it with a little bit of the tea dots, the sentiment, a couple little embellishments, and the teacup. So super, super fun. Okay, friends, as with all of my stamp sets, I have a brand new card idea sheet for Simplicity and Joy. And I just noticed that I need to change that title for this, so that will be changed. You can grab this card idea sheet at indigojadeart.com and click on the freebies. And I will also post it in the Gina K Designs Facebook group in the files section. And this free download has 8 card ideas, and it also has the coordinating stencil guide where I show you how the stamp, the stencil, and the combination of the coloring stencil works. So it just gives you a little guide, a little roadmap for how all of the elements work. So this is a 4-part downloadable PDF that's free to you. And again, you can grab that at indigojadeart.com. under click on freebies, or head on over to the Gina K Designs Facebook group and grab it in the files section. Okay, friends, let's take another look at the stamp set and the die set. So we have Simplicity and Joy, and you can see mine is so well loved. And I can just see me creating with this for days to come. And here, days and weeks and months and years to come. And here is the Simplicity and Joy coordinating die set. I love how these come packaged now with the tape. You can just easily pop your dies right back on it for that double-sided tape and just kind of keep everything together. And then here is the coordinating stencil that goes with it. Okay, friends, that's Simplicity and Joy for our December Gina K Designs release. I cannot wait to share more tutorials with you. And as we head into the holiday week, I will be coming back live next week with a brand new tutorial using this stamp set and a mashup of something else in my collection. So I will make sure that I head into the Gina K Designs group and let everybody know when I'm going to be going live. Or if you're on my email list, you'll get that information. But it will be next week, and we'll have a brand new card tutorial, live tutorial together. Friends, I want to express my gratitude for such an amazing year of support and inspiration. I've had so much fun creating with you and creating and illustrating for you and trying to bring a little bit more joy into our daily lives. And I cannot thank you enough for being a part of that. So as we head into this holiday week, I want to wish everyone happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and I will see you next time. Thanks, friends. Bye now. Thanks so much for watching. Please consider sharing the joy by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. And you can watch more card and watercolor tutorials here. Thanks so much. Bye.